Hi guys, welcome to another one. Today we are at Grandeur Auto for their breakfast run. There's a couple of cars here and some are still coming. There's also JMPD Escort. So let's just see what cars we have here today. And oh, there's a Ferrari F12, 812 on the road. There's an Audi R8 also. I just want to listen to this F12. So we have a Bentleys, we have a bunch of Bentleys, Mercedes, BMWs. You know, always BMWs are always everywhere. Oh, this Bentley with that body kit looks very nice. We have a 720S McLaren 720. We have an Audi R8, that Ferrari 812, and a Porsche at the back. There's also a Mustang. It's going to give us something. I think that's 812superfast. Money. Let's have a bunch of Mustangs. I'm not gonna say a lot, but you've seen this McLaren on someone's YouTube. We have a Porsche Carrera 4S, Audi RS3, we have a 335, a Porsche GTS. have a BMW M4, Porsche, Ferrari, California, BMW M4, and then also a Porsche 2CS. This is the Porsche that has 1,000 horsepower. I think so. Apparently it has 1,000 horsepower. This 911 turbo. I just noticed something with this BMW. It has 2 intakes. Oh, it's the M4CSL. M4CSL. Nice. And then we have a Dakar here. The only thing that's left that I need to still see is Starato. It's in the Dakar. I think this is my second one. This is my second Dakar. I think there's this M4CS coming. So there's a CSL and a CS. I think this is the CS that's coming right now. What a rare occasion to see a CS and a CSL at the same place. I hope it's a CS. I think it's a CS. What's another CSL? Let's see. Let's wait and see. I think this is a CS. Yeah, it is a CS. Oh, a CS and a CSL at the same place. So they're leaving, guys. The police is yeah. I think they're gonna block the road for now, so the supercars can pass. So the other ones are gonna block the road up. So let's wait and see. Hopefully they give us some poles. Listen to this. 812superfast. The McLaren's on. The police have just blocked the road, and here the car's coming. Yo, that Ferrari is making noise. my God! I think 2 cars just got lost or raped. They just started and 2 cars got lost.